is something that has always been there. Before it was renamed October Rain, it used to be Independence National Exhibition. The important thing is that usually month of October, that was the year of independence. So it's something that had been there since inception. The October Rain idea was to make it unique, and it was need to rebrand so that it doesn't fall into the federal government celebration of the National Day Independence Declaration. So the October Rain is, of course, the annual get-together of the visual artists in terms of presentation of their works. So I see exhibitions as a celebration. So it's an opportunity to showcase what you've been able to do. It's an opportunity to actually display the strength of the various artists, not just the numerical, but in terms of the creative output, and also to show the various genre of artworks that we're able to produce. So it's a good thing that over the years it has been sustained, and it has become a permanent feature, of the calendar. So I think it's a welcome development, and I'm glad it's something that has been sustained over the years. So I congratulate the executives and every member of the society